What is up and happy Monday? We have a great question coming in about Google Business Profile. This comes in from Diva, who is the owner of Helia Salon in Ohio. I actually just featured her on the podcast a few weeks back as well because I think her concept is so innovative. So she messaged in saying she's having an issue. She says, just opened my salon on June the 16th. Our Google Business Profile was booming. We had 100 hits the last time I checked. We live in a very small town. For reference, I graduated high school with a class of 86 other students, so 100 people is a ton, and I get that. 100 is always a lot. After our opening day, I went into Google, uploaded a bunch of photos from our open house party ribbon cutting, adjusted our salon hours, and fixed a typo in our name. Then Google suspended us. I haven't been able to figure out why or how to fix it. We're still suspended. It's a huge downer. I'm sure it's affecting our new guest request. What do I do? So I looked. She's still suspended. Why did she get suspended? It was the name change, without a doubt. So what happens is, you know how when you originally sign up for Google Business Profile, you enter in all the business information. They send you either a postcard in the mail to verify, or you go through another verification process. Google checks like all the legal records to make sure that that's accurate, and then you get the listing, and the listing stays up. They're the only social platform that does it, and they take it very seriously. Have you ever been scammed by somebody on Instagram, or you follow a Facebook page that's, fictitious? With Google, you can't pull that off, right? And so they take their authenticity very seriously. And when you change the name, it caused them to question your authenticity. Now, the great news is you're able to submit a request to fix it. So linked in the comments of this video, I have shared a link to a YouTube video that shows you how to make a request for reinstatement. There is a process that Google has you follow. So what you'll do is you'll log into the back end of your Google Business Profile account, which you should still have access to. They don't block you completely. Your account listing is just no longer public, right? So you'll log in, you'll go through the process. You basically are just re-verifying, and it's just new information. No problem at all, but basically you're gonna have to go through the verification process again. I'll make it super easy for you and link that in your profile. The reason I chose to tackle this as a group question is, A, this could happen to anybody, but B, I want you to realize this is the direction that social media is heading. I've said this a few times and I'm going to double down on it. Authenticity is what consumers today are looking for. They don't want you to be bringing in a photo shoot for everything or to have everything feel so curated or contrived. They want it to feel real. And the reason I think that online reviews are going to be a way more prominent way for salons and stylists to build business than Instagram or Facebook ever was is because of the authenticity factor. You can't fake it. A business can fake being amazing on social media pretty easily. You can't fake 200 reviews. You can't do it. And so whereas there's this consumer cry out for authenticity, we're going to see this happen more often. Google being more vigilant about making sure everybody's being accurate. Suspensions when you're changing information that they've yet to verify. So I wanted to tackle this, A, to give Diva the answer she was looking for, but B, it's kind of a call-out reminder to everybody to prioritize online reviews. I can't say it enough. I think in the next 3 years, online reviews are going to dominate the interest level of your marketing funnel. I think they're going to be more important than any other traditional social media platform. Get into it. Be a study of it. Be a student of it. Make sure that you know how to use these tools. And I'll be here to support you as these nuances come up. Y'all, so much love. Happy business building, and I'll see you on the next one.